Ever wondered how a software delivery method could boost your Agile environment? Discover Vector's package-based delivery, designed to enhance your development process. In this series, we will cover the basics, show you how the software is prepared, and explain the final production approval process. I'm Nahid, your guide into the world of Vector's innovative package-based delivery method. As a product manager here, I'm armed with all the insights to satisfy your curiosity. Let's begin our journey by understanding the fundamental concept of our delivery process. At Vector, we have two delivery models: customized software package or package-based delivery. To understand package-based delivery further, we need to understand the difference between these two delivery models. The first one, CSP, or customized software package, is suitable for customers who have clear requirements and may have a few plan changes upfront. We provision a software within 3 weeks, and you receive a one-stop delivery of a consistent set of BSW components. This is a ready-to-use software with a clear roadmap upfront. And also, the commercial clarification has to happen at the beginning. In contrast to that, package-based delivery, or PBD, is suitable for customers with agile environment, with changing requirements. So this means that you don't need all of your requirements set up front. You subscribe to packages which contain our Vector BSW portfolio. You use the modules according to your project needs, and you can immediately start with your ECU development. It results in a multiple ECU variant with the same set of BSW core. Both of these methods have common highlights. We have support and coaching during your setup and development. We can help you with your requirement analysis. Both have leading software quality, safety, and high availability. It is possible for you to do issue analysis on project level. They both have the same goal, which is fast time to market. And of course, you have the possibility to request for new functionalities. There is an optional demo, which we call runtime integration support, which is based on your project requirement. And finally, we have long-time maintenance after start of production. Now that we understand the difference of concept between package-based delivery and CSP, let's understand a little bit more what do we mean by packages. In customized software package, we have a one-stop turnkey delivery of consistent set of components, and this is ready to use with a clear roadmap upfront. For package-based delivery, we have divided our microZAR stack into 5 different boxes, and each of these boxes contains a set of modules. In MCP box, we have the core stack. In MOP, we have OEM-specific modules. In MVP contains the general modules that are needed in any use case. MEP contains the drivers for our external devices. And MPP contains the packages of MCAL drivers. So by now, we know the difference of the concept between package-based delivery and CSP, and we know what packages are in each of these concepts. Now let's dive deeper into the workflow of each of these methods. The first step in CSP is the commercial and technical discussions. As I mentioned, via e-questionnaire, we gather your requirements, and we help you with the requirement analysis, and at the end offer the licenses, and you can order your software package. For package-based delivery, the first step is ECU development, because you have subscribed to those packages, and now you have immediate access to modules. You can select the required modules and the versions that you desire. In CSP, the ECU development obviously happens after you receive the software component from us, and you can start with the production software. Both of these methods have an optional state, which is update or change. In CSP, this has to be done upon your request, and we need to discuss the requirements again. However, for package-based delivery, because you have access to our repository, these repositories are updated every 4 weeks, and you can update the components and modules as you desire, as many times as you want. The commercial and technical discussions for package-based delivery runs in parallel with your ECU development. As early as possible, you should register your project so we can give you feedback, availability of components that you request, and we can help you with your requirement analysis. And the last step of package-based delivery is production approval delivery. This stage is clearing you for serial production and sending you the production software that you would use for the production. Now we can dive a little bit more detail into the timeline of package-based delivery with respect to your project. The first step is that you subscribe to the packages that you would be using for your project. Once you do that, you have access to Microsoft Classic Stack with lead time of 3 days. No e-questionnaire is required. We just need to know OEM and microcontroller information. The licensing and cost discussions can be pushed back during your ECU development. The project registration step, which is part of the production approval preparation phase, is an important step. From this point on, we're able to support you with a requirement analysis or coaching, and we could also provide you feedback. So we always recommend that you register your project as soon as possible. Update phase helps you to be more agile. We have the options that you can download the packages from our repository as many times as you desire during your package subscription. And you can use these packages for as many projects as possible. And there is no lead time or additional cost necessary. Once you're ready with the software that you have prepared, or what we call custom package, now you can request for production approval. Production approval phase is, for us, a step where we prepare the software for you, send it to you so that you can go to serial production. So once we prepare the code and you order, we send you a consistent set of software, and we have made sure of its quality, and you have the clearance of serial production as part of that delivery. This is also the basis for the long-time support, issue tracking, and remedy of effects. Once you receive the software delivery, you migrate from the software that you have created as part of your ECU development phase to this new software that you received, and you can go to serial production from then on. Hopefully, I've piqued your interest in exploring the power of package-based delivery further. Get in touch with us if you want to know more. Contact details are in the description. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll delve into the packages themselves and the tool you would use to prepare the software. In this video series, we're planning more videos. If you're interested, subscribe to our tech tutorial channel and ring the bell to not miss new videos. Goodbye.